Good afternoon, students. I am Ranjit Kumar Kullu from Government UPS Pamra, Block Badgaon. So, dear students, today we are going an interesting topic which we'll learn eagerly. I hope you are very much interested to learn this topic. So, dear students, let's begin the class. So, dear students, here you are looking some pictures. Can you mention the name of the picture? It is the same animal found in different parts of the world. So, dear students, I hope you are knowing the name of this animal, and it is called mongoose, and I hope you are very much familiar with this animal. It is very interesting animal, and you might have heard various stories about this animal, and these animals fight with snake, which is very interesting story because snake is very dangerous animal, and we know mainly in rainy season different types of snakes are found, and due to snake bites many people die in our states, in our locality. So, dear students, let's read. I have taken here two SGP. First SGP1 and SGP2. Then I have taken some comprehension questions and some opposite words. Match the following, fill in the blanks. So, dear students, let's begin the class while reading SGP1. SGP1. Read paras 1 and 2 silently and answer the questions that follow. Mongooses like to hunt together, but they also keep a look out for dangerous animals, hunting animals nearby, while poking their noses into holes, overturning rocks with their paws, and scratching the ground with their sharp claws. Mongooses look very amusing, a common sight in many parts of Africa. They travel in a groups of about 20 to look for beetles, millipedes, and other small creatures. They like to hunt together, keeping touch whenever they go outside behind rocks or bushes by twittering and calling, always on the lookout for danger. Hawks, eagles, they one another with special alarm call if they spot anything suspicious. So, dear students, they are very interesting animal because one common thing is told here. First, mongooses like to hunt together, and here they like to hunt together, keeping touch whenever they go outside in search of food. Then mongooses are very much interesting animals because they are not very big animal, still they are very amusing because here it is written while poking their noses into holes. I will see some pictures so that you can understand the meaning. This is beetles and millipedes, which is their favorite food. Mongooses eat, we already read in the chapter, mongooses eat beetles, millipedes and other small creatures. And their danger animal are hawk and eagle. Whenever they go out in search of food, mongooses look always danger. Whether above them hawks and eagle are wandering or not. Then this is the picture of poking nose into hole. How they poke their noses into hole to find out the food. Here, paws and claws. This is the picture of paws and claws. With the help of their paws and claws, they scratch the ground. Here, scratching the ground. How mongoose scratch the ground to find some small creatures under the small rocks. They overturn the rocks so that they will find some small creatures to eat. So now you will understand better because you knew some meaning of the words. So here I told mongooses like to hunt together. In our area we do not find mongooses in groups, but it is spoken about Africa, where mongooses are found in groups of about 20. Here it is written, travel in groups of about 20. But in our locality we do not find mongooses in such amount of mongooses together, because in Africa we found in a group there are 20 mongooses. When they travel in search of food, 20 mongooses, they look very interesting or amusing. Because of that it is told, while poking their noses into holes, overturning rocks with their paws and scratching the ground with their sharp claws, mongooses look very amusing. Because a small creature, how it scratches the ground, overturn the rocks to find their food. It is very interesting. In para 2, they like to hunt together, keeping touch whenever they go outside behind rocks, bushes by twittering and calling. When they go together, if they find any danger or if they spot any danger, they call among themselves by twittering and calling, and they hide behind rocks or bushes, because they have also fear of hawks and eagles. If they do not warn each other, then they will be killed by hawks and eagles. So they have special alarm and twittering sound. With the twittering sound or special alarm, they warn each other to escape from danger. And because of that it is told, They warn one another with a special alarm call if they spot anything suspicious. In other words, if they spot any danger or dangerous thing, then they call or keep alarm so that their friends or their relatives understand that there are some danger thing. Now let's read SGP 2. Mongooses are famous for being able to kill snakes without getting hurt themselves. Their reactions are so fast that they can dodge each time the snake strikes. They continually dodge snakes' attack until after a while the snake gets tired. Then they quickly dive in for the kill. All the female mongooses have their kitten at about the same time. They are raised by the whole group in a den made inside an old termite hill or hollow log. When most of the adults are out looking for food, one or two males stay behind to stand guard until the other return for the night. So in SGP 1, we studied that how they hunt together, and whenever some danger comes, they warn each other with twittering and special alarm. In SCP 2, let's discuss about how mongooses fight with snake without getting hurt. It is the special about the mongoose, because whenever snake strikes, the mongoose dodge very quickly, and it whenever it knows that snake is getting tired, it finds out that opportunity, and when the snake is tired, it quickly dives to kill the snake. Here it is written, mongooses are famous for being able to kill snake without getting hurt themselves, because if one snake strikes at the mongoose, it may be killed. But the mongooses are very quick. Whenever the snake strikes, it dodges and do not be struck by the snake. Next, their reactions are so fast that they can dodge each time the snake strikes. They are very quick, or they are very fast, so that they are not being struck by the snake. They continually dodge snake's attack until after a while the snake gets tired. The mongoose looks or finds the chance when the snakes are getting tired. Then they quickly dive in for the kill, and at that moment snakes do not do anything, because snake is already tired, and this opportunities is brought or created by the mongoose. Next, all the female mongooses have their kitten at about the same time. It is also very much interesting, because all the female mongooses in their groups, we studied that in their groups there are about 20 mongooses, and among 20 mongooses, all female mongooses give their kitten at the same times. Kitten means they give kittens means they give birth to their babies at same times, and the babies kit mongooses are called here kitten. They are raised by the whole group in a den made inside an old termite hill or hollow log. Here, termite hills. It is also, we can understand, ant hill or old holes and hollow log. In a big log, some holes are there. That is called hollow log. Inside hollow log or old termite hill, they live or they make their home, or it is called in a den made inside an old termite hill or hollow log. When most of the adults are out looking for food, and it is spoken about the daytime, when the adults go out in search of food or for searching food, all the adults mongooses go out for searching food. While going out for searching food, one or two or few male mongooses stay behind to guard the female mongooses and their kittens until the others return for the night, because whenever all the adults mongooses go out, there are some danger. Sometimes hawks or eagles or other big creatures may come and attack the females and their kitten, so that few adults remain behind to guard or to keep them safe until all the others adult return from hunt or from searching food. So, dear students, in SCP-1 we studied how mongooses hunt together while overturning rocks and scratching the ground. And in SCP-2 we studied about 2 points. First point is mongooses hunt or kill snake without getting hurt themselves, and all the female mongooses have their kitten at the same time. Now let's discuss some comprehension questions. I have not taken all the comprehensions whatever are there in the books, because we had short time, and here we will discuss. First one is comprehension question. First question: what are the paras about? So dear students, I hope it is very interesting topic and you might have already studied in your school, so that you will be able to give answers very easily, because the questions are very much
about is mangoes.
yes, very good. First one is the paras are about mongooses, isn't it? Because these questions are very much easy if you have understood
the
that.
paragraph about mongoose.
Yes,
paragraph
very good.
about mongoose.
Thank you. The paragraphs are about mongooses. Next question. Here both the paras talk one very common nature of mongooses. What is that common nature? We can refer first line of both paras of SCP 1. Barogad Girls High School, please on your microphone. Barogad Girls High School. Yes, now answer. Second question. Both the paras talk about one very common nature of mongooses. What is that common nature? Here you can take reference. See the first lines of both paras of SGP 1. See the SGP 1's both paragraph 1's first sentence and paragraph 2's first sentence. Then answer. Anyone?
But the paragraph talk about one very.
Yes, come on. Hello, ठीक ଅଛି କହି ଯାଅ. What is the common thing which we?
But the paragraph talk about one very common nature of mangoes like to hunt together. That common nature.
Yes, very good. The common thing is they hunt together. In SCP 1, paragraph 1, it is also written they like to hunt together. In paragraph 2 also it is written they hunt. Very good. Thank you. Next. Mongooses do two kind of things. In other words, their activities or work can be divided into two kinds. What are they? Third question.
The two kinds of things they do are looking for food and being on the lookout for danger.
Yes, that is, they look for food as well as they look out for danger. It is two things. They look for food and they look out for danger, hunting animals. Next question. One of them is looking for food. Do mongooses normally eat? What is their favorite food or what they eat? Where is the question?
Mongooses normally eat beetles
Yes,
and
beetle.
millipedes and other small creatures.
Yes, very good. Thank you. They eat beetles, millipedes and other small creatures. Next question. They eat beetles, millipedes, etc. But the mongooses are also eaten by other creatures. Who are these big creatures? Yes,
The big creatures by which the mongooses are eaten are hawks and eagles.
Yes, these big creatures are two are mentioned in book. One is hawks, the other one is eagle. Isn't it? The two big creatures are hawk and eagle. Next, fill in the blanks by choosing correct one. Here MCQ questions are there. First one is the enemy of mongooses is. Come on, do it quickly. The enemy of mongooses is option 1 beetles, option 2 hawks, option 3 millipedes, option 4 rat. Come on.
Option 2 hawk.
Option 2 hawks. Very good. Thank you. Next, mongooses are famous for dash. Mongooses are famous for
Killing
dash.
snakes without getting hurt.
Very good. Killing snakes without getting hurt themselves. Next, before killing a snake, mongooses does. Before killing,
Making the snake tired.
yes, very good answer.
Making the snake
Making
tired.
the snake tired. And making the snake tired. Next, mongooses look amusing when they dash.
All the above.
All the
All the
above.
above.
Very good. Thank you. All the above. Because they look amusing while poking their noses into holes, scratch the ground with their sharp claws, overturning rocks with their paws. So, answer is all the above. Next, write plurals of some mongoose, snake, animal, millipede, creature. The plurals. Plural of mongoose. Plural of mongoose. Plural of mongoose.
Mongooses.
Mongooses. Very good. Next, snake.
Snakes.
Snakes. Thank you. Very good. Next,
Animals. Animals.
animals. Yes. Next.
Millipedes.
Millipede.
Millipedes. Next, creature.
Creatures.
Creatures. S is added. Creatures. Next, write the opposite words of the opposite word. Always, out, small, very easy ones are there. Opposite of like, wait soon. Opposite
Dislike.
of like, dislike. Very good. Thank you. Always, opposite of always. Come on. Opposite of always. Opposite of always. Do you know the meaning of always? Anyone?
No ways.
Not always, it is never. Opposite of always is never. Opposite of out. Opposite of out.
In.
Very good.
In.
Opposite of out is in. Opposite of small.
Big. Big.
Thank you. Very good. Opposite of black.
White. White.
White. White.
White.
Now match the column with A with B. Here like, hunt, keep, look, poke. Here it is in present form. Present tense.
Liked.
Liked. Hunt.
Liked.
Hunt.
Hunted. Liked. Hunted.
Hunted. Keep.
Kept. Kept.
Kept.
Keep
Very
kept.
good. Kept. Look.
Kept.
Look.
Look at it.
Look at not. Looked.
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 Yes, it is looked. Very good.
Poked.
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 Very good. It is now fill in the blank. Come on quickly.
G.
G.
Missing,
G.
missing letter.
G.
A.
G.
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 Yes.
G.
G. Not A. Second one.
A.
Take A.
A.
Next. Animal A.
A. I.
Very good.
I.
Next.
A.
A. Creature. Very good. So these are very easy one. But you have to know the spelling of the words. Then only you can answer. This is homework for you. What you have to do? Write 5 sentences about mongoose. Next, draw a picture of fighting mongoose with a snake, which is given in your book. It is there in your books. And try to draw that picture, and tomorrow go to your teachers. So, dear students, thank you very much. I hope you have understood the topic very well.